Hey you guys, I'm back to check on my food. My sweet potatoes, they still cooking. They got a ways to go. And when they get done, that's when I add my cinnamon. And when I add my vanilla, then butter and brown sugar. So while I'm in here, you guys, I'm going to go in here and check on my chicken. So what I'm going to do, I made spaghetti yesterday. So I'm going to have leftover spaghetti and this baked chicken and some sweet potatoes. And if someone wants some chocolate cake, I already cut a little slice out of here, and there's some ice cream in here, you guys. So this cake is so good. So if somebody wants something sweet later on, they can get some chocolate cake. And you see my fruit over here. I have like oranges and pears. So when I want something to snack on overnight, I come down and get a piece of fruit. Okay. Now I'm gonna check on this chicken and see how it's going. Alright. Y'all guys see that? Ooh-wee. See that? Hope you guys can see it. See how good that look? So I'm gonna give it probably another 20 minutes, you guys. I checked on it earlier and got burned. I know you probably can't see that right there. But that's what happens when you cook sometimes. So I'm going to give this like another 20 minutes. Okay, so that's it. Just waiting on the sweet potatoes. A little creepy on the floor. And this is my spaghetti I made yesterday. So I know it should be good and flavorful for today. Just a little bit left. It smells so good. Do you guys like cheese on your spaghetti? Some people don't, some people do. Like my son, he don't, but I do. But I cooked it yesterday, so all the flavors probably really came through today. And so it's going to be good. So I wash dishes. So let me go back in here and watch some TV. And I will show you the finished product later on. And I thank you guys for watching. And bye-bye for now.